Hello.
Yan mate.
Anna should come to Bali.
Hurry up and get here. Weather's beautiful. Bintang's cold. The company's good.
Do you
Yeah.
promise to have and to hold
Bintang is good.
Do
Called Bintang. Anna, you should miss it. You will miss it.
Welcome to Bali Travel Vlog!
Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you're fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how the beautiful Penglipuran Village, the most clean village in the world. Okay guys, so if you want to know how look like our best village in Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end, because in this video I will walk around also inside the house area. Yeah, now we are at the front the house of village. Now I will walk around to inside and I will show you how look like traditional Bali house. Yeah, because it's like a tourism destination. There is every shop they sell something for the customer. Now we are inside area of the house. Yeah, left side is a house, and at the front left side there is a kitchen of Balinese house. Left side, kitchen of Balinese house. Looks so cute and unique. Okay, at the front there is family temple, so it means every house they have family temple at home. Also in the right side there is family temple for another house. Okay guys, let's keep walk around in Penglipuran Village, the most clean village in the world. Looks so beautiful, isn't it, in this area? And you see like decoration at the front of the house. This is we call penjor, because now still like just been big ceremony and celebration for Hindu. We call Galungan and Kuningan Day. If I keep walking until to the top down there is a village temple, because every village they have some temple in Bali. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know how the beautiful Penglipuran Village in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali Travel Vlog, because this channel is about update station in Bali and also tourism update. Okay guys, let's keep exploring Penglipuran Village. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Penglipuran Village, the most beautiful village in Bali and also the most clean village in the world. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Bali and also tourism update. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.